Hello everyone, welcome back to Cute Care YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Well, I'm doing good, thanks for asking. Today I brought this really nice quality Japanese pant. It's all the way from South Korea to US, New York. I brought this in my luggage, like with my journey together. So this one's must be very tired with this long trip. Anyways, before we get into reviewing these nice quality tights, let me tell you guys things. If you are new to here, very welcome, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. I mean, liking this video is to all of you, not only just for new to here and even all my older friends. And yeah, if you are a big fan of QKR, me, supporter, please consider to joining the membership site. You can find a link below description box and please join it. That's a huge appreciation. Well, let's see what I see. Let's see what I got. So as I said, I bought these in South Korea at the Japanese Pantyhose and Socks store. It was pretty expensive, so I thought that it must be a quality tights. And I googled this brand that has a pretty good review, so I just wanted to figure that out. Is it that worth for how much was that? $25. So I'm very curious because it's only 25 deniers, and I have never heard this brand, but spending $25 for a pair of sheer pantyhose, it's not that easy. Puffy 25 denier, puffy. Ooh. Okay, and I got this navy color, sorry, marine navy color. It has so many color difference options, but I just, I have a lot of black and coffee, so just wanted to try something different. So I got navy, and this is package. I don't read Japanese, but apparently, I don't know, it should be good. Let's see. The waistband is strong. I like this flexibility, and also it has a good elasticity, so very flexible, but also, it's good comfy on your stomach. Okay, and it has a cotton gusset in the same color as navy, right? Oh yeah, it's soft. I'm excited to try this. I hope that's worth it for $25, seriously. Alright guys, the size is medium to large, so I'm an average size of a woman, but it just Alright guys, this size is medium to large, but I am just average size of a woman, so it just fit me. I think Japanese ladies are smaller, or they can, I don't know, it just fit me well. And also, sorry, it was not 25, it's like $20. And yes, it is soft. Compared to how sheer they are, it's only 25 denier. Yeah, I think that's quite soft compared to that sheer pantyhose. And I feel comfy, and as I expected, and I told you guys, the waistband is very elasticity, so good. So it means flexible, it can go farther, but you know, it can go tighter too. So it's just comfy on my, like snuggling, very snuggling on my tummy. So I think that's pretty good. The colors looks like this, like in between navy and black. Oh, and I know you guys are always wondering about this, but there's a reinforced toe. It's not reinforced toe. It's just normal. But stitches are pretty good here, like right under your toes. I love the stitches. I wish I could give you more information. I need Japanese friends right here just to read it to me in Korean and English. But if you guys wonder more information about that, you can search the Puffy Tee natural cover stocking made in Japan. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Even though I cannot give you the more information on this package says, but that I only know is I feel comfortable in it, and Puffy Tee one is soft. And I like that. So I'm going to wear it today. I'm gonna go out because I just got ready. I put on makeup and I had a shower. I'm just ready to go out. I'm gonna go with these tights and I will let you know after wearing a whole day. Love you guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please visit my membership site. You will love it. I won't let you down. Bye guys.